I'd say honestly 2 weeks ago, I was very lost. I was just spending a lot of time doing a whole load of nothing. I went through a lot of struggles and yeah, never really found my thing.
I think it's massive that young people get a hands-on opportunity to do something good. We know that a lot of young people haven't considered construction as a career. They might not know the way in. So for us, giving those young people that opportunity to do something a bit different, to get those hands-on City and Guilds qualifications, and it's often that spark that helps young people move on to the next step in their lives and maybe their careers as well. At the heart of every DIY project, there's the impact on the young people, but there's also the amazing benefit on the community buildings, the community spaces that we work with.
So East Mortgage Centre is based in Splot in the south of the city. It's a lifeline to some young people. It's vital for this community really. The community project we're running at the moment involves reconverting our garage studio. Young people love that space. And we've got young people now from all across the area supporting in rebuilding and making the space more for them.
The first day I came here and we got to it, I just thought like I could do this for the rest of my life and I'd love it.
Seeing the young people come in is massively rewarding. You know, Elliot, he was a bit lost, I suppose, in what he wanted to do, and he's really found himself, and that's great to see.
It's just opened a whole different pathway to carpentry for me.
He's just said to me, I know what I want to do in my life now. And you know, that felt like a very real sentiment, and that's the magic of what we're doing, that's the magic of what we're doing in Morgan Sindel, and yeah, what we need to keep doing if we want to get young people like Elliot away from doing nothing into doing something positive.
If I didn't have this opportunity, I would probably still be sat at home, you know, wondering what to do in life, but it's uplifted my spirits a lot knowing that there really is something out there for me. Because I think a lot of people think that the workplace just isn't for them. There's definitely something out there for everyone, and I believe that now.